Right guys, so this is one of the old bunkers and they used to keep the weapons and ammunition in here. So I just thought I would show you guys. Look at it. Look at that. It is awesome. Look at the door. Ah, that is so cool. Different angle. Oh wow. That's insane. Right, now do it with the light off. Alright guys, and this is what it looks like with the light off. It is crazy awesome in here. It's like an antique looking thing. Why hello people, we're going to bomb your country. Look at the door. Oh, that is so cool. So yeah. Guys, I just thought I would show you this, so if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Obviously, because it's an old bunker, we've got like a bit of a haunted light thing happening. Oh my gosh, the light's flickering. I'm in an old war bunker and the light is flickering. Like I'm locked in.